This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so good evening. Today I will be covering YouTube. So first and foremost, to have a YouTube channel, you should have your Google account. Okay, I'm sure most of you would have it, and that's a basic necessity of it, having a Gmail account. And in one Gmail account, you can have multiple channels, which I'll be showing you. So let's okay, and there's several topics in YouTube I'll be covering. In the sense, okay, consider this as a YouTube channel. So how do you do the cover page so it's visible on all the devices? So be it a television or a desktop or a mobile. And how do you create the links in the YouTube banner? Also, we can spend, we should spend some time on Canva designing the logo and the banner as well. So there is a certain set dimensions. If you use that, your banner appears just right in all the devices. And I'll just share you the format of it as well. It's a small square box in the canvas where you need to add in certain rulers and then add in a shape. You bring it to a certain dimension and then work within that. It looks really professional and it falls right into the box what you're seeing right now. So this is one of which was done. Okay, the about section we need to work on, and channels. If you have any multiple channels, playlists, and your videos. So the minute you enter your YouTube channel, you will find these two options. Okay, one is manage your videos, the other is customize channel. So let's start with customizing the channel. So the first option, what you find here is layout, then branding, and basic info. If you scroll down, then you'll find links like whether you want to, like I told you in the banner, if you want to connect to your Facebook, Instagram, any social media you want, you can, even to your website, you can link it. So the minute they're on your site and they're seeing your channel, they get to connect there. Now we need to log in for that. So also I'll be showing how do you add time codes and all this. So basically, see for this, just the learning process right now. You can download your videos from YouTube or Pexis. I think Pexis is having a little issues of late. Let's see if it's working. Or we can always download it from YouTube. Let me download a video. Okay, we were doing the marketing of digital edge, so I'll see if I can. Is my audio clear? Can you hear me? Because it says slow network. If you can hear me, let me know. Yes, in the comment section. So, am I audible? Is it clear? Or is there a delay? Anyone of you can let me know. So, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear that. If you can hear me, just type yes in the comment section. Okay. 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 So let's download a couple of videos here relating to digital marketing or just few videos. So Pixels is a good place to do that. You get patent free. So even if you upload it, will be no issues. There won't be strikes and the channel won't be down. So it's great to download here. That was one. And just try taking smaller videos. And for few videos, if they're really small, certain features won't show up, like as an end screen, iCards. So decently small, around 30 seconds, 1 minute, that should be good. Yeah, this is good. I think 2 videos so far. Yeah, I'll just keep a couple more just for reference. Good morning, someone just joined us now. So I'm taking related to digital marketing. You can take upon your category as well, what business category you're up to. Okay, just want a video with a little more length. It's again 10 seconds. So if you come up here, I will show you the size of the video. If you want the clarity to be high, yeah, 4K full HD, the HD is good enough for us. So I already downloaded 2 videos. I'm just trying to find one more. So again, if you're representing a business on the YouTube channel, just try finding videos or create videos where there's some action happening. Okay, we don't want just blank spaces and the infrastructure. Infrastructure is great, but as long as there's people working, there's some movement. So find it thing, search for contents as such. Okay, see, the minute you come to iStock, all the content are great and you need to make some amount to use them. Let's go back to Fixes and find just one more video. Kindly mute yourself as you join. Okay, even in Pexis, the minute you start, okay, there are photos and videos. Just go for the video section. Can you hear me now? Is it clear? Okay. There was some issue with the network. Sorry for that. So I've taken three videos for now. So here, right now, the number of channels I have is two. Okay, and I think you still have, I mean, you can create another one. Let me get back to one. So right now it's in the studio mode where all you make all your changes, your branding, layout, your basic info about section. Okay, I'll just start from the beginning of this. I just want to start fresh from this. So if any of you who are not used to this, I'm sure most of you would have created a channel and upload content. But for the ones who are not familiar, I'll just start over again on this. So the minute you go to youtube.com, on the right side, if you have a Google account and logged in, okay, you'll find this. You may not have a logo there. That's all right when you're starting. Okay. If you already have a channel and you want to start another one, you can go to the settings option. Okay. Here,
Sir,
add. I'm sorry.
your screen is not visible, sir. Like if you're showing something, it's stuck in some level, sir.
I'm sorry. One second. Here, can you be able to hear me? Screen, give me a minute. Is the screen visible now? I think there's a slight lag.
It is visible now, sir.
Is the screen visible now? Can
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think there's a slight delay even now, right? There's a slight lag. Can you see that move? Or just give me one moment, I'll be back. Just give me a moment. I'm just checking the networks available, which is faster. Because I'm finding a slight delay when I move from screen to screen. Is the screen visible? Can you hear me? And are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
I think the screen is not displayed here. So, do we have any YouTubers here among us who already know and done all this? Excuse me, sorry. Not getting. Okay. So it should be better now. Just restore a better network. It's visible, right? Okay, let me repeat myself. Is it audible now? And can you see the screen move? Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think it's much better, and you can see the screen moving around as well. Okay. Sorry for that technical issue. I'll just shift it to a better network now. You shouldn't be having the issue now. If anything is there, please let me know. So, though, so yeah,
Sir, I can't hear you.
one of you, unmute yourself and let me know. Am I sounding clear here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, great. You'll have some background noise in this, but don't mind. As long as I'm clear, that should be good. Okay, I said, so we are creating a channel, a new channel here. So as I've already worked on, we've been doing digital edge. I'll take digital edge here as well. Okay, name of the channel is digital edge. You can keep it in small, or you can keep every word as caps as well. That's up to you. Okay, going forward, this would be your fresh channel where this is how exactly it would look if you haven't created a channel before. Let's start with customizing the channel. Okay, so Canva basically will come and use a lot for us. So kindly spend some time on Canva. Literally, all the social media channels, even you can work on your creators where you can post it on all the social media channels. So kindly spend some time on Canva, or if you're already good at any of the other skills like if you're Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, that's also great as well. Okay, sorry, I guess there was a lag. Am I audible back again now? Can you hear me? Just finding some issues today. Can you hear me now? Is it clear?
Yes, so we can hear you.
Okay, so I was saying Canva is very essential. So as you see in most of the steps, we're using making use of it. Content creation is the king. We have content you can post consistently. So this was the previous channel, and okay, take time and create a logo for yourself for a channel you are coming up with. As I already have one, I'm picking it up. So let me copy paste. So I have digital edge already. Let me download it. Go to your channel and upload the image. Upload. So we have a profile image there. Let's create a banner. So here, banner, I mean YouTube banner of cover image. It's mentioning you need at least 20 by 48 and 1152 pixels, and it has to be less than 6 MB, 6 MB or less. So if you take a file which has a very intense background and too much of elements, you'll not be able to upload it. Let's give it a go and create one YouTube banner. I'll need to check if I have one here. Okay, let's create one then. So when you come here, you can search for YouTube banner. And kindly, any moment you find the internet lagging or you're not able to hear my voice, please let me know so I'll change the network again. Are we good so far? Can you hear me? Okay,
Sir, I
search
think
for
the
you.
screen is
Okay,
stuck.
that was not thumbnail. Thumbnail is another concept. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, ma'am.
The
I
screen
couldn't
is
hear
stuck.
you. Can you come again?
The screen
Screen
is
is stuck
stuck.
again, is it?
It's not moving.
Oh, okay. Sorry,
Yeah.
I'll just check. Finding a lot of issues today. Should be rectified. Give me a moment. This wasn't an issue, so just give me try. Give me time. I'm trying to fix this. Let me know when you can hear me. Is it clear now? I think the screen is being displayed. Am I audible as well?
Yes, sir.
Better now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, oh, great. Sorry for inconvenience. We'll go ahead now. So I've just uploaded the logo so far, and to do the badge, I mean to do the banner image, there's certain dimensions that we take will be more accurate. Okay, it's again trial or error here and there. You can always just check. Okay. So go to Canva and look for YouTube banner or cover image. So the minute you type YouTube, you get these options here: so thumbnail, video ad. Okay. So again, we have certain default options. You can have a look at them if you like, and you can pick and customize. But it's always better if you can do it from scratch. So here, I'll take a shape. I'll go to element section. Just pick a shape and make sure it's positioned. Default when you use it, it's going to be in the center. And let's take into 1423 as okay. 423 should be the height, somewhere around 423. 425 is also somewhere there, right? And here, place it in the center. Just check, and yeah, that's in the center. If these options are not showing, they're accurately in the center. And the width take somewhere around 1855. It's a rough number. You can note it down sometime if you want, or you can always find it on Google as well. So this usually works. Okay, just place it in the center again. Is my network better now? Is there any lag? Can you hear me?
Yes,
We're
sir.
good to
It's
go
much
ahead now.
better.
All right, great. So now I've placed it in the center, and you can, in case if you don't see the rulers and these guides, you can go here to the file section, and if they're unchecked, just check them and go to ruler, drag in one, and the same the other side. Just mark it this way, and you can remove the shape. And here you can come up with any design you like for your YouTube channel. Uh, if you have already created a logo, just place it to the right side somewhere here. I think mine's already ready. I'll put the Digital Edge logo. Either you can drag and drop or find it from the previous one, however convenient for you. Control A, copy, bring it down. Place it in the center if you want, or to the left, and you can have the name written in bold and white, covering the canvas. Okay, here I'll take Digital Edge and one second, go to the text. Here, okay. Just bear with me today. There's some network issues. take the name of your business, Industrial Edge with Mobile Tech, and you place it here. And add in the tagline as well, Pioneer. And digital marketing. So let's take it around 30. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. So I was just telling, most of the other places where you might not have the option, but in YouTube, when you put up the banner, when you go to the edit section, there's a place where, hello, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
And what about the screen? Is there any delay? Can you hear me? And can you see the screen as well?
No, sir. It's visible.
Offline. I think there's a delay. Trying to fix this. Just give me some So saying in the other media, social media, we don't have that option, but here on YouTube, okay, if I can see here, when I click on view channel, it's all created and see right now there's no videos here to be uploaded. I've downloaded three already, just for the sake of it. Okay, let me pick up another channel. Mm, Which one? Let me take Mr. Beast. So in the banner section itself, we have this option of connecting to our other links. It can be social media, it can be a website, or it can be even a blog of ours. So we don't have to add the social media handles there. We'll just continue with other things what we need to show them. Okay, you can even add in the best digital marketing, however you want to promote yourself. So I'll just keep it simple and we group this. So if you want to select two elements, press shift and drag them and place where you find it. Okay. You can even add in colors if you want. Just change the background. White is always the best, but you can still go for a color which you prefer. I'll keep it white or even yellow. Yellow is good as well. Unless you keep it white. You just write down the dimensions. Okay, it's 423 and 1855 should be more or less the right one for you to get actual banner, YouTube banner, YouTube cover, which should be visible on all devices. So I'll just tell you why I'm mentioning this when I'm uploading the image. So go back to your customer channel customization, and in the banner image section, go to upload and find. Let me bring it to the desktop. Much easier that way. There are a lot of files in a download. Just bring the image to your desktop, so it's easy for you to upload. That should be. So this was the reason why I asked you to create that box and the ruler. Okay, we're still a little out of dimension there. 1855. Okay. So it's a trial and error. Let's see if we can place that in and download the file again. You see how much of it has gone outside and work on that. That's 1855. It's more than 1855 maybe. Go back to shapes. Internet. Am I audible? Can you hear me now? Is it clear? Or is there any delay yet?
Yes,
Okay, great. Hmm. See, even if not, if you don't do this, you can still upload the image. It's just that, you saw that squares. So when you place it within this, your image should be visible on all devices. Let me replace this with the one which I just changed. I hope that's come out better. Okay, I had to remove that. Give me a minute. Okay, just refresh the network. It should be better now. Am I audible? Is it clear? Okay, just to go ahead, we take the existing one for now. Okay. Sorry, I think back, and it should be sorted now. Like, is the screen visible or yet some issues? Trying to fix this. This was not a problem before. Just in the meantime, the ones who have not created your Facebook business profiles, you can log in and do that. So just try rectifying this as soon as possible. Yeah, kindly bear with us today. Just trying to figure this out. Is the screen visible now? And can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So the dimensions we were there. Let's see if we can go it faster. We have limited time, and we don't have to take a break because the whole time we have big break today. Okay. So let's go back again. Okay. That's correct. That's 423, 422, something like that. Okay. Height. Your length has to be a little lesser, 15 something, 1545 should be good. Not 18. Just wrong on that. Work on 1545, somewhere there. In case you don't get the image right inside, okay, this should be a small box. This is a very small canvas where we get to work on. Okay, position it in the center and bring the rulers in, mark the rulers. There are no lags right now. You can hear me clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So the previous one which we had taken, the width was a little wide. So take 1545, that should be right. Okay, Control Shift, copy your image. Let me take it there. I think it should fit right. If it doesn't, we'll just go ahead with a normal preset, just the text. Follow again. Let me bring it back from there itself. Copy. Yeah, so this is the reason we were just running out of space there. Let me reduce the text size. And I like, I was mentioning you that in the other social media sites, we have to, add in the social media handles here. YouTube itself provides that link, so don't have to do that here. I thought of finishing YouTube today, but due to technical issues, I think we'll have to carry forward a little bit of content tomorrow as well. Let's see how far we can go today. And here you can add in something like come explore. We already have a tagline of business. You can add in few more lines, one or two lines here, just saying what your channel is about. Explore digital marketing. Reduce the text size, keep it around 20, 22 small. Take it around 32. Yeah, that should be better. Make it bold. Just choose a font which goes well with it. Okay. Change the color as well if you want. Download in PNG format. Let me close the other tabs now. I think we should be good to go now. Let me bring that to desktop as well. Clear these. Okay. I've just changed the dimension. It was I told 1855, but 1545 and 423 should be ideal. Let's try it now anyway once. Okay. Oh, I forgot to take the image. Close ಮಾಡಿ. The screen close ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೇರ್
Okay. Just change few things. Is it audible now? Can you hear me? Hello. You just change the screen sharing settings. Am I audible now? Uh, yeah. Sorry for the interruption again. So we're back and should be having the file here. I guess we had major lags today. So let's recap the same thing in a faster. Okay. The only changes there we had to take was 1455 and 423. The height had to be 423 and the width was 1455. Don't mind this being lower and lower because we had a lag. I had to just brief you again on we go ahead with this. Is it better now? Just make sure it's is the screen visible? I know I've been asking you this over and over, but that was the situation today. Am I audible now? Can you hear me? Okay, just take this shape. Like I said, it should be 423. Okay, and somewhere around 1545 should be ideal. Keep it somewhere there. Okay, and position it in the center, middle. Okay, that should be good. Let me try getting it. Okay, not bad. That's the best thing we can get. We bring in the ruler. So if you want to find the ruler and the guide, go to the file, show ruler, or the shortcut is Shift R. Place in the rulers. Okay, make sure it's at the center. Okay, and the only reason this is being done is this should be viewable on all devices. Okay, yeah, just place them in. I'll take in all the contents here and bring it to the space. Okay, clear this and make sure it falls in. Don't try going to the edge because it might not come in the box. Reduce the, that should be good. You can add in a word there, just as like I told you, explore digital marketing. Keep it to font size around 32, or yeah, bring it to 38 should be sufficient. Okay, change the color if you wish. Just make sure it's a warm color and goes along with the theme. Is this right? I was telling you earlier, Facebook and other places where we're creating a cover. If you mention your social media handles, we don't have that link yet, but on YouTube we have the option where these social media handle links are given just on the banner. Okay, let me download this. Go to your channel. your channel and the customer's channel. So we earlier did the profile way earlier, and we just have to upload two things here. One is a banner and one is a watermark. And watermark, this banner has taken quite some time because of the technical issues today. Because I had a lot of topics to cover today, and okay, maybe this as well has not been saved. Okay, now if you see, it falls right inside this box. So what it basically means is, the dimension are clearly mentioned there. So it should be viewable on the desktop, viewable on all devices, and viewable on TV. So this is a reason where I spent so much time working on this, and we also had some technical snacks. But what I recommend is take 423 as height and width of around 1545. So most of your content should fit in. You shouldn't be having an issue. So no matter what device you open your channel on, your image when you open your home channel, your home profile, it should fall very clear. I'll have to download the logo as well. Try being a little fast as good camera. So even when you're creating a logo, you'll have a huge canvas. Try, making use at least 70% of it. So you upload it somewhere, it's visible very clear. Let's place it in the center. Yeah, that should be good. Upload the image. So again, it'll show if it's falling inside the box. Okay. So next, what we have is a video watermark, and you can have this place entire video or certain part of it as well. But let's add in the watermark first. I'll take the logo itself for time being. Okay. What else you can add here is you can take in. You can go to Canva and or even on YouTube. You can just even on Google, you can look for subscribe. Just download a PNG of subscribe. It would be in the element section. Okay, something like this. Most of them would be pro person. These are the ones which are used quite often. In case you don't find it here, you can search it on Google. Subscribe. PNG transfer. Just make sure it's a PNG image. If not, even the background will be seen. The other way to remove the background was removebg.com, which I showed you yesterday. Let's try finding one. I think this should be good. So copy and save this image to desktop. Okay, I'll save it in the desktop. And let's go to the YouTube channel. And here, upload the image. Okay, that's in the HTML form. So anyway, you can do that. See, you can download here and hope the internet is fast enough. So you have these many PNG sites where you can download your images. If not, another thing what you can do is use your own logo. Even that should pop up in the video. Okay, for time being, I'll just take the logo itself. No matter what you're uploading, just make sure it falls into the frame. Okay, that should be good. And once you're done with it, click on publish. Okay, it'll ask whether you want it end of the video, custom start time, or entire video. You can choose entire video, publish. So these are some branding customizations what we do. So here, if you see the screen, so as the video displays to the right side, you would have your digital edge logo. So the minute they click on that, it'll ask them to subscribe or it'll take you to your channel. Going ahead, let's work on basic info. Okay, here you get an option of 1,000 characters where you can mention about your channel description. What is it about? So I'll take in as digital marketing. Just welcome to, okay, just have a welcome message. So say welcome to Digital Edge YouTube channel. And here you can say you are, okay, we are content creator space there. Content member and what can I use? We are content creators for our providers and trainers. Okay. Let's say trainers. Just write in a few words that should be sufficient for now, which describes on what your channel is about. You can say come explore digital marketing. where we provide the latest concepts and trends of digital marketing. And add in certain keywords to say display first. Put in all the words which will be related to your business. I've taken digital marketing, so I'm just using these words. Okay. But just put it in here. YouTube channel. In case you have another channel and you want to translate, you just mention what language. Just we are doing this channel, not required for now. So channel URL. This is a standard address your channel includes, and like I was talking to you about how you can do your vanity URL. Okay. Similar to that. So this would be your channel website, and this you can share it to your circle when you're sharing the video about what you've done. And here you add in the links, which I told you about, which would show in the banner. So I can type in Facebook and go to the Facebook page. It can be your Facebook, it can be LinkedIn, Twitter, any of the social media sites, or even your website, you can link it. So find the link of your business profile which you created on Facebook and link it to YouTube. So lastly, you approve and log in. Give me a minute. I'm working on that. So this would be the link of the business page. Copy and paste it in the links. Yeah. So you can show what are the first 5 links you want to show. Whether you want the 2 links to be displayed or just the 3. So you have this option. And finally, you can provide your email ID, your mind.
and publish. So once you're done, you can view your channel. So this should look much better than what it was. Okay, you can work. See here, you'll find a Facebook. So when you click on it, it takes you to your Facebook business page. So this is how you can drive your traffic from YouTube to Facebook. Okay. Similarly, you can add in your other social media handles as well, your Instagram, your Twitter account, your website. So I've kept it fairly simple on the banner today as we lost some time and even this we had to make some placements. All right. Anyway, so this is how the about section will look. Description. Welcome to Digital Edge YouTube channel. We are content creators, content providers, and trainers on creating content. Come explore digital marketing, where we provide the latest and greatest concepts and trends of digital marketing. Okay, so this is minimal what you need to do. And in case they're interested in your site and they want to contact you, you click here and they get their email. So another section where you can work on is if you have time, another 5 minutes. Yeah, I would take just 5 minutes. Just show you one of the videos how you can I'll quickly download a video, upload because I'm using another system. Just give me 5 minutes and we should be done with this. Okay, I'll choose digital marketing. We download any simple video here. But there are two things in the layout. One, I'll show the video which the first time audiences will see, and the other one would be the featured video. So existing subscribers will see. So we'll try doing that now. I'll do the iCards and end screen tomorrow. Okay, I think the video is downloaded. Let's upload it now. Okay, this is fairly simple for the ones who are not familiar. You upload a video on this symbol. Let me go back to that. Okay, so this is the place where you upload your video. Click on this, create, and upload video. You can go live or upload a video here. So I'll upload a small video for now. Okay, select the video that's downloaded. Name it display intro video. Just mention a few lines on that. So the minute video gets uploaded, naturally it takes in thumbnail. I guess we'll spend some time tomorrow on the thumbnail and create one. Let's see the default options what we get here. It's a small 13-second video. So you can pick an image from the video which gets uploaded. So being a 13-second will not have much of changes in that. If it's much lengthier, you can pick an image from the video itself. Okay, let's create a playlist. Select visibility is public there. Okay, add it to that, and if you give it's made for kids, certain options will not be visible. So keep it as not, it's not made for kids. Okay, there's one more section here which I'll be briefing you tomorrow as we upload another one. Just make sure the checks are there, and it comes to processing HT version. The text should be made, and this is another section which should be doing tomorrow. Okay, here you can choose public, private, or unlisted, and even you can schedule it, which I just want to show you a showcase video before leaving today. Okay, that's been uploaded. Here it gives you an option to share the link on all the social media. Okay, and you come back to your channel. Customize channel, and here the first option you get would be the layout. So if you have uploaded a video already, this is the one I'm talking about, video spotlight. So if they're first time viewers, and you can add in the spotlight. So let's finish it till here, and the rest of the topics I'll cover tomorrow. We had a major lag due to technical issues. I think shouldn't have this tomorrow. Okay, publish. So now with that, when you go back to your channel, the first thing you'll see is this, they'll be highlighted. Okay, and we can have the feature video, the playlist, which I'll be covering it tomorrow. Okay, my request is that please create a Facebook business profile. Many are yet to do it, and also once you create a logo, it should be fairly easy for us to work on other social media platforms. Okay, all right, so let's meet tomorrow at 4:30, and we'll go ahead with the rest of the topics. The last 10 minutes we had any issues. Were you able to see it? And was I audible? Was it better now? Until when we created the showcase video and all that. Hello. Are you all there yet? Okay, I think we're having issues. So let's meet tomorrow at 4:30, and yeah, see you tomorrow.